Hey friends, welcome back to our channel Informo Technicals. This is the third part of the HTML tutorial, so let's get started.
Hello friends, today we'll learn about more basic tags in HTML. Okay, so before we have a conversation of basic introduction of internet, intranet and difference between HTML4, HTML5 and many other things. And in the first video I have shown you people that how do I write the HTML code on notepad. So today it is the third part of the HTML tutorial section. We'll learn few basic things of our HTML. So without any wasting time, let's get started. Okay, so this is our HTML doctype declaration, definition and uses. Why you use doctype declaration? The doctype declaration must be very first thing in your HTML document before the HTML tag. The doctype declaration is not an HTML tag. Obviously, it's not. I have told you in a first video that our doctype tag is not an HTML. It's a instruction to the web browser about what version of HTML page is written in. Obviously, in case of HTML4, we don't used to write doctype, but when the HTML5 was introduced, from that time we used to write doctype HTML. Okay, so our next thing is head tag. Head element is a container of all head elements. That head elements can include like script. In the case of script, we will add there JavaScript, jQuery, and obviously CSS. If we want to add some bootstrap, we can also. We'll know about them before. Sorry, after few classes, we'll know about the CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, bootstrap, and many other things. So difference between HTML4 and HTML5. In the HTML4, head element was required, but in case of HTML5, if anyone don't want to write, they can, but it better to write the head. Okay, there's a small difference between HTML4 and HTML5. Title, obviously, I have told you in a first class that title is a very important, like what kind of page you are using. Let's say it's a form or it's a any kind of introductory page of an website, or it's a basic page of an website, or it's a like what kind of page it is. Title, obviously, it's a very important thing. Okay, so it's a defines a browser toolbar. It provides a page when it's added to favorites. It displays a title for the page search engine's result. Obviously, when anyone searches, like search engines, we have Google, Yahoo, Bing. So suppose anyone is searching anything, so whatever string type, like whatever name will be provided or whatever it's provided in a title tag, that particular thing is getting highlighted when a person is searching something. Okay, remember that thing. Yeah, so our next thing is h1 to h6 tag, HTML heading tag. So today I'm just giving you the like basic introductory thing. From the next day we'll do coding. Okay, so today I'm just giving you the theoretical part, how to like use h1 and h6. Suppose this is a doc type, is a basic thing. Now h1 is a heading 1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6, and that particular thing will be give us a output like this. This is heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6. Now paragraph tag. That paragraph tag is also like an, like previously we have gone through like h1. So paragraph tag is also like there is a p. In case of heading, there's an h1, h2, h3, h4, but here it's a p. Okay, so the p element will be this a paragraph. So this was a basic introduction about HTML and all, and the basics, few very basic tags. Okay, very basic tags. So if you like our videos, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon, and please keep with us. This is a very important thing nowadays. Basically few very much like in IT market, totally the web development and designing are like they're spreading too much. Okay, so these are very important things, and is HTML is basically too much easy. Okay, easy to learn. Okay, thank you for with us, thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.